Hi there, folks. Welcome to another episode of Michael in the Backyard. Well, you know, sometimes just the slightest suggestion can spark an idea that can turn into something that is just crazy enough to work. Let me show you here as you know, we've been 3D printing, and I had this is some old Matter Hackers ABS. Nothing wrong with the filament, but the spool does not work in the AMSs that Bamboo Labs has. And I can't print ABS on any of my enders, not effectively. So the boss, aka my wife, she's like, why don't you just wind it up onto another spool? I'm like, that's a pain in the butt. So to her, I owe an apology. She had a genius idea. Then I put my mechanical aptitude to work. And this isn't something that's going to be a permanent thing that I do every time, every day, because from now on, long as Bamboo Labs keeps having their sales where they can buy 10 rolls and get it for $12.99 a roll, why would I go anywhere else? And it comes with an RFID chip, and I've got all these refillable spools. And we bought refillable spools for a reason, because in the long run, it saves money. Well, here we go. Here it is. I've already marked this one. The boss printed out a bunch of these little tabs that snap right into these rolls. Now, if you guys know, these rolls are the reusable ones that come apart, right? Well, here's what I'm going to do. I got a hole saw. This is a 2-inch hole saw that I wrapped some paper towels around, and it will just press in nice and snug. This is going to sound crazy, but there again, I'm not going to be doing this every day. This is literally the last roll of filament I've got that won't work, and I can make use of it. And it was purchased a long time ago, and that sticks through just far enough right there, holds onto it tight that I can get my drill chuck right there. Now she's going to love this because, yeah, I'm giving credit. I always give credit where credit's due. Anybody comes up with a good idea, I will give credit where credit's due. I will never accept credit. Look at that. Oh, it's running out a little bit. Let's dial it in. Whoop. Make sure it's good and tight on there. Now, this doesn't have to run perfectly true, guys. It really don't. Not for what I'm doing. Good. Not just good right there. Good enough. Now, a lot of people have enough printers and things that they can make good use of just about everything they got. I have 2 printers that I'm using, and they're both Bamboo Labs printers. I'm taking this little piece of electrical tape. We're going to put it right around the bottom of this spool here to hold it on. And then this does get a little warm. I've done 1 roll already. That's how I know it works. But I can hold it right here. We can wind it right on up here. Now I am putting a little tension on it with my hand. I'm just kind of just walking it back and forth. Whoa, what happened? Whoa. As you can see here, it's getting wound up on that spool. We don't have to go crazy fast, and here again, this is just about a brand new roll of filament. If I got 50 grams off of it, I'd be surprised, because is my battery going dead? Nope. Got 2 bars left on it anyway. What you doing to me, D-Walt? Keep going, buddy. Don't make me go grab the Hercules. Because I will. I'll go grab it. Why does it do that? It just stops. And I'm keeping tension on it so it don't, you know, more or less bird nest on me when it goes into use. I've had that happen with some of the bamboo refills. If you don't get them seated into new spool nice, the refills, they can start causing you some problems. Had it happen on one spool so far, but then let's just say the boss and I learned how to properly install it. Yeah, I was also on the edge of just throwing this spool away or taking it to work to see if anybody else could use it. And over on my bench, I'll show you this. It's just a square piece of tube that fits in the hole. C-clamp down with the vice grip on the outside so it don't fly off on me. Oh, itch on my nose, but look at that. It's getting full. This one's getting empty. Perfect. Now the boss is going to see this video and she'll go, I told you so, I told you so. Nah, she'll never say I told you so. She'll just get that little cute little smirk on her face because she knows who the real genius in the family is. It's not me. Sometimes she'll even, you know, I know she thinks it, like he thinks he's a genius, but who's the real genius? The genius or the person that married the genius? We're almost done. Getting down to the skinny mini here. I see black. Just like that. Look at that. Nice tightly round spool. Don't unwind. So now I can use all this ABS and make some more projects that, I mean, this will create a lot of stuff. I can weigh it. I got my scale and I got empty ones of these. These weigh about 250 grams. So I just tear one of these at 250 or subtract 250. Now I got this empty spool. Awesome. Now this I can just, let's see, unchuck it, push that out. Paper towel is still good. Well, purpose and reuse. My nose is running. It's cold outside. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, a little short video from me to you. In case you run into this situation, there are options. All right. It's Michael saying if it ain't broke, fix it till it is. We'll see you on the next video. Be kind to one another, would you? The world would appreciate it.